Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to plant up some hanging baskets. Now I know what you're thinking. Jay, why didn't you just go buy hanging baskets? Also, I apologize for the grass being mowed outside. Well, here's the problem. I couldn't find any hanging baskets in the colors that I particularly like. I usually go with red, white, blue, and somehow I mix yellow into the mix. So, I was at the garden center and I found these Supertunia really red, and I thought, that would be awesome. And they were only $3 a piece. Then I went to the dollar store and I found these hanging baskets that were only $2. And then they come with the little clip thing. So I figured, okay, for like $11, why not put my own hanging basket together? So the reason why I chose to only do 3 in this hanging basket is because on the back it says the minimum spacing is 12 inches. I don't think we have that much room. It also says that these get 8 to 12 inches tall, and it says they are a mounding trailing petunia. They're also heat tolerant, deadheading is not necessary, and it says that the care is easy, and you know I am all about that. So what I'm going to start with is I'm going to fill this almost the whole way full. I left probably a 2-inch gap there. But now what I'm going to do is add a couple things to this. Now I am no gardener, so I cannot tell you if this is the right way to plant these or not. So I'm going to add a little bit of Biotone starter fertilizer in. And I'm also going to add some plant tone. Now, like I said, I don't know if this combination is actually going to work, but we're going to give it a try. So after that's all mixed in, and after you create a storm cloud, I'm just going to mix it in the soil. Alright, so now I'm going to do 3 of these. So I have my 3 in there. Just gonna dust these leaves off a little bit. Then I think I'm gonna add just a little bit more potting soil to these. Just because when I water these in, or whenever they get rainwater, they will settle a little bit. Now again guys, I am a beginner gardener. I do not know what I'm doing, so take whatever advice I give you with caution. Alright, the first one's done, so I'm going to do the exact same thing for the other 3. Okay guys, I have them all planted up, and as you can see, I gave them, well, I think plenty of room to grow. We shall see. But let me give you a close-up of one of the tags. So it is the Supertunia Really Red Full to Part Sun, which these are going to be in full sun for most of the day. And then here is the tag on the back. So I'm very excited. Now let me show you where I'm going to put these all. Alright guys, so I decided to hang them on these bird posts that I put in last year, and I had bird feeders hanging off of here, and guess what? They made a huge mess all over the place. So I'm hoping that these mound up and just kind of like cascade down the side of this. Maybe they'll even grow big enough that they'll like conjoin or something. And like I mentioned before, this whole area is getting a redo this year. So I will bring you along on the journey for that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, guys.